the objective lens diameter is 70 mm, and the large objective lens gives the Svbony SV28 powerful light and gathering ability. A large objective lens can gather more light for more clear and detailed and sharper images. And also, as we talked, the magnification is from 25 to 75. And the prism is BAK4 prism, high index BAK4 prism. The prism makes light transmittance higher and reduce light loss and restore the most realistic age image details. So that means you can also get a very clear picture on the edge of this objective. Okay, I want to say the objective lens coating is FMC, fully multi-coated. And that means all surfaces are anti-reflection layers, so that allows more light to enter the objective lens and reduce reflected light. Oh my god. And the 70mm FMC objective lens increases the light transmission, more light, more details, so it brings you bright, clear, and crisp images, even in low light conditions. Okay, that means you can use it before sunrise, during sunrise, because at that time the sky is not very bright enough, and but this objective lens can gather more light, so it is very good to use viewing the birds before sunrise, and viewing some squirrels or hunting before sunrise. And next advantage of this spotting scope is that it is IP665 waterproof. That means that ensures the drizzling days observation. That means you can use it in a drizzling day. The music is kind of loud. That means you can use it. What? You can use it in a drizzling day. And sorry, wait a moment. And the lens hoop also can stop the rain from dropping onto the objective lens. And the whole body is waterproof, so it is okay to use it in a drizzling day. It can stop the rain from from going inside. Okay, next one. Okay. And also, this lens hoop can it is better to use when a very sunny day. It can reduce the stray light, and you can get a more clear image when observing. And next one is this rotatable focus wheel. It is very smooth, as we can see. It is really smooth. You can rotate it to get a better crisp image. And this this eye cup is foldable eye cup. Okay, I first to connect it. Okay. This interface is a 1/4 inch interface, so you can use the the tabletop tripod, and also you can replace it with other a 1/4" tripod. It is very easy to connect. Okay, just tight the screw. Okay, it is okay. Now it is drop down. Okay, now rotate this one, and okay, it's stable. And look at its eye cup. It is foldable. Now let's fold it. Okay, it is foldable, so you can use it whenever you wear glasses or not. If you wear glasses, you can fold it down and to observe, and if you are not wearing glasses, you can fold it up. And also the eye cup can reduce some stray light. Okay, as we can see, there also comes with a tripod. Comes a tripod with this spotting scope, and also here is a soft bag. You can use it very easily to take it out. Okay, this is all about the specification of of SV28. And you can use it where you can use it. You can use it during in the early morning. You can place it by your window, watching the early bird of beautiful scenery under the sunshine. And as time goes to noon, you can place it on the balcony or backyard to discover interesting things with your kids and with your families and friends. And in the evening, watching the night sky will be a good idea, because the magnification is enough for moon watching, or you can use it to watch to stargaze. And it is not necessary to prepare a professional astronomical telescope. The SV28 is enough to go around for some simple astronomical observations. For example, you can watch the moon details with your families. I'm sure your kids will be surprised by the details and the real moon that he watched. That is very impressive. I can remember the first time I see the details of the moon with a binocular. That is so different from what you always see in a picture. That is so vivid, and the moon is even brighter than you see with your naked eyes. And SV28 is a great spotting scope for newbies. It's easy to operate and applicable to a wide range of scenarios. You can use it to watch the target at the shooting range, watch the beautiful scenery during the trip, watch the birds at the water pond, make some simple astronomical observations, and so on. More senses are waiting for you to discover. Okay, this is all about the SV28. If you have some questions, you can leave a message below. Okay. Okay, I'll share some pictures that our customers shooting with SV28. Wait a moment. Okay, it's so kind of hot. Okay. This is the picture that shot with SV28. Oh my god. in a supermarket. It's a supermarket, but we can see the picture's edge is quite flattened. So it is quite a nice spotting scope. Next one, let's see. Oh, this is the moon that I shoot with SV28. So it is enough for moon watching, for the details watching. We can see the craters on the moon and the lines on the moon. Maybe it is quite not clear enough, but it is enough for a spotting scope to do like that. This is a moon. This is a whole moon that shoot with SV28. We can see the dark part and the bright part of the moon, and the line that departs the bright and dark part that shows very clear. You can see that. Next one. Moon. Okay. Okay. Here is a bird that shoot with SV28. Here's a bird. It is quite clear, and the edge is also works very nice. So it is quite a nice spotting scope. And if you have if you have questions, you can leave a comment below. Why can't see? Will be a PT cause okay. Let's see the next one. Okay, let's see the next one. Next product. Next one is funnel scope. It's a new funnel scope. The model is SV208. The model is SV208, the funnel scope. Wait a moment, I'll show you. Okay. Okay. This is the this year's new product of our Svbony. It is SV208 funnel scope. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, see, it is set very well, so you don't worry. It will be broken on the when transport. It is very safe. It protects very well. And this is the funnel scope too. Okay, stay there, babe. And this comes with a bracket, funnel bracket, and this is the battery. Inside this is a battery that to control the crosshair. And SV208 is 8x50. Is 8x50 straight throw. It is straight and cracked image. So that means you can get a cracked image. So that means you won't get upside down left to side right image. We'll get a true and erected image. And now, as we can see, this is there are six screws here, so that ensures a very right pierce position that you need. You can adjust every screw on that, and the normally normally fender scope have 4 or 2, only have 4 or 2 screws, so you can only adjust the that angle, but this is 6 screws here, so you can adjust every angle. Yeah. Oh my god, it's quite hot there. And oh my god. Now it is finished. This is Svbony SV208 fender scope. And the fender scope's FOV is a field of view is 7.3 degree. That's quite a wide FOV. And it is image erected, and the focal length is 185, and the it is FMC fully multi-coated optics, and the crosshair is illuminated, and the brightness is adjustable. So you can adjust it at a suitable brightness for observing. And as we can see, it comes with a fender bracket. Yes. Okay, now let's say something about the FOV 7.3 degree. The FOV is 7.3 degree. This fender scope has 50 millimeter aperture. That means the objective lens of this fender scope is 50 millimeter. So it will provides a particular bright image. The objects that you are not able to see with naked eyes will show in the aperture, and the 7.3 degree FOV. The FOV is 7.3 degree, and the eye relief is 21 millimeter. It's 21 millimeter because then you can use it. The existing pupil is quite big for you to observe the objects. The existing pupil is 6.20. 6.25 millimeter exist pupil, and will allow you to find faint galaxies, comets, and nebula. And next one, the image erected. The fender scope produces image that are right side up, left to right, correct? In other words, things are not upside down and backwards like most viewfinders. The focal length is 185 millimeter. The 185 millimeter focal length is designed for use with astronomy telescope up to 2000 focal length. Fit perfect with Dobson-Near telescopes, and also fit perfect with our Svbony SV503 telescope. Okay, the objective lens is FMC coated, FMC fully multi-coated. That means all lens surfaces and all air-to-glasses surfaces are anti-reflective multi-layer coated. The 15mm FMC lens increases the light transmission and benefits for finding target in the night sky. You can gather more light. Oh my. we'll gather small light to find some faint objects. And here is the light of the crosshair. You can see here it is rotatable, so the brightness is adjustable. You can adjust the brightness at suitable for your observation. The straight throw finder has a precision glass etched illuminated vertical with crosshair to mark the field boundaries and an open circle in the middle. There's an open circle in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, can you see that? It is hard to see that. Some pictures. Hello. So there's a circle on the middle. So a circle on the middle, so that stars can be perfectly centered without being covered. The deep red illumination is continuously variable to provide the desired brightness. That is quite cool. Compared with tradition red crosshair, the glass etched reticle has a great improvement in precision and lifespan. And that important one I want to see, it is very convenient to use, is that pot. This crosshair pot. Yes, this crosshair pot is the angle of the crosshair pot is adjustable. Can see you can lose the screw and adjust it. That means if you unfortunately if you unfortunately what is the price? Let me check. This one? Yes, this is looks really good. It is it touches very well, and I like its touch feeling. No, let me check the price. Oh, you can get into our store to see this price. I can see at this moment this model is SV208 SV208 finder scope. You can click the link to our store to see the details of this telescope. I would definitely like to try it. Good taste, really nice. And okay, go on. Let's go on. And the crosshair angle is adjustable. For example, unfortunately, if you set it up, you can set it up with your telescope. But unfortunately, the crosshair is not the right angle. Then you can lose the screw and only adjust this part. Only adjust this part. It is very convenient to use, so you don't have to take it down and adjust the whole tube. That is quite, how to say that, complicated, right? I am really it is hot here. Oh, okay. Okay, next one I want to say is the bracket. Next one I want to say is the bracket. This bracket is, as we can see, it's 6 screws, so you can just add any angle that you want. And also, there's a very friendly design of this fender scope. This screw, oh my god, wait a moment. The screw tip is not metal. It is nylon material. Oh my god. It is nylon material. Wait a moment, let's see. You can see it is nylon material, so it won't hurt your fender scope and won't left scratches on your fender scope. So I quite like this design. This is so friendly, and this mounting bracket fits standard dovetail plate from Vixen, Santa, Celestron, Skywatcher, DSO, and many other 75 degree dovetail plate. Remember that 75 degree dovetail plate. Okay, this is all about the one part I left is the focus. We can focus, use this there are two focus here. This one is the objective lens focus. Then you can rotate the sorry. Then you can rotate the objective lens to focus the object, and also wait a moment. And also here's a focus rotatable. Is that my partner? Okay, this is the sorry, I forget. Eyepiece. Wait a moment. Eyepiece focus, then you can focus the crosshair when you're watching it. You can get a very clear and crosshair of this fender scope. Yes. Okay, now let's rotate it tight it. Oh, okay. Here. Wait a moment. Send me a message. Hello. Okay. Okay, let's rotate it. How will? No, I will go to a Svbony store. This is the same. This is the official Svbony store in this planet. This they're the same one. We send the same product. And okay, now let's see the cell. The cell is okay. Wait a minute. Huh? Where's the cell? You can see the cell. It is really small. Okay, if the cells run out of power, you can place the cell. Yes. Okay, this is all about SV28. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I will answer it. Do you have some question? Do you have questions? Yes, it's the model SV208. This is the model SV208 spinner scope. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is all about the SV208. SV208. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Okay, next one. Next one is a guiding scope. It is not. Next one is a guiding scope SV905C. This is also a new product of this year. Okay. Okay. Now I wanna say said it. It is really well protected, so you don't have to worry about the transportation. Well, here are two lines you get. This is Type C. This Type C line is for data transmission. Is that transmission? And this is SD cable, ST4 cable. And this is the tube. You can see here is the dust cover. So if you don't use it, remember to cover it so they can stop the dust. And here's a tube, extension tube, and here's also a tube. Okay. I'll say some data about this. I'll show you some data about this SV50. It is really small. It's just like 60 grams. It is just like 60 grams. Okay, I'll show you some data about this product. The sensor is Sony IMX225, and the size of this sensor is 1 in third inch, and the resolution is 2080 and 960. The ADC is 20 bit. The QE is 75%, and rate noise is 4.0. And FPS is 39. Full wheel is 13. And USB is this part is USB 2.0, and the pixel size is 3.3 and 75. Yes, okay. This SV905C guiding camera is maybe you can see that. SV503 SV905C guiding camera is a sensitive and high-speed color astronomy camera for planetary. You can use it for planetary, lunar, and solar imaging, and also but it is meant to guide for your deep sky imaging or photography. The camera is also great for large imaging of planets and double stars and other compact objects, especially for telescopes with longer focal length. Okay, the features of this SV905C guiding scope. It is compact and highly sensitive. 1.2 megapixel color camera with 1/3 inch CMOS 2080 and 6-day sensor, perfect for auto guiding or planetary imaging. The small 3.75 micropixel high PQE of 75% and low rate noise allows tight tracking of faint guide stars. And the here's the port. Here's the ST4 port. ST4 port, and this is USB 2.0. This is USB 2.0 and Type C interface, and the ST4 port to connect directly to the outer guider port of a telescope mount. A compact form factor with diameter of 36 mm lets you slip the camera into a 1.25 inch. This is 1.25 inch, so you can use it to a telescope or phanerscope or guide scope. Yes, weight just only 60 grams, and the coating of the filter is anti-reflection coating to maximize transmission and protect the sensor. And the thread of this phanerscope is M28.5 plus M28.5 multiply 0.6 female thread for astronomy filters, and software and drivers available for manufacturer's website. Okay, I'll show you some connection. And this is the 1.25 inch tube, and this is a 1.25 inch, and this threads are M28.5 multiply 0.6. So now let's connect it. Okay, it is connected, and also this is 1.25 is good for filters connecting. Okay, now I have some filters. Now let's connect it. Let's connect the filters. Okay, it is okay. This tube is for connect the filters. Okay, next one, let's see the thinner one. We have two rings here. This is a thinner one. This is a thinner one. This is the wider one. Now let's connect the thinner one. The thinner one, this is a M28.5 2CS adapter. Then you connect it. Then this one, you can connect the CS lens to this guide scope now. This is a guiding scope, and this is USB 2.0. Then you can use it to connect a CS lens. Okay, this is a CS to C adapter. Then you connect the CS ring, and you can connect it to, and then you can connect the connect the sealants. Okay, this is all about the connection. Okay. It is standard 1.25 inch. Okay, as we can see, here are some scales, and here's a lock here. Then you can connect it to the telescope or your guide scope. Then you can lose the screw and move the lock to a suitable place. Yes, this is all about the SV905C guiding scope. Do you have any questions? You can leave a message below. Can leave a comment below. Okay, this is USB 2.0 and ST4 line cables. Okay. And this is suitable for guiding and astronomy camera. Can be used for planetary capture. Yes, it can use for planetary imaging. This scope is can use for planetary imaging, solar and molar imaging, and also for deep space auto guiding. Yeah. Okay. This is all about the SV905C guiding scope. Okay, next one. Let's see a binocular. Okay, this is quite a big one. This model is SA204 binocular. Can I thought you may be scammer site? What do you mean? What is scammer? I don't know the word. Scammer, sorry. Scammer site. Let me check scammer site. Okay, this is SA204 binocular. Let's see, it is quite a big one, and this is the it comes with a bag. The bag is okay. There must be some hymen inside. Something soft inside. They can protect your binocular. Let's see, this is the cool binocular. Okay, this is Svbony. SA204. Let's see, this is a eyepiece cap and the objective lens cap. If you don't use it, remember to close it so they can stop the dust into your binocular. Link they posted. We can see we can adjust it for the angle that you need. Let's see. Now let's find some light. You can see the eyepiece glass and the objective lens glass. It is quite nice. And this magnification, this configuration is 10 by 50. That means the magnification is 10 times, that you can see object 10 times bigger or 10 times closer. And the 50 millimeter means the objective lens is 50 millimeter. You can see here's the logo, and here is the focus, central focus. The central focus is anti-slip, and you can control it very smooth. And it is all black one. Here are some lines here. It is all anti-slip, and the whole body is rubber armored, and it's quite good to nice to grab. And the magnification is 10, so it is suitable for moon watching and the planets watching and galaxies watching. And also, if you want to see a detail of bird, you can use it for high power bird watching. Okay, I'll show you some details about the binocular. This objective lens diameter is 50 millimeter, and the eyepiece diameter is 23 millimeter. So it is quite big eyepiece. So that means when you use it for a long time, and your eyes will feel much eye strain. Won't feel so much eye strain. And the objective lens is FMC, and the FMC and the diameter is 50 millimeter, so that gathers more light into your binocular. You can get a very bright image when you're using it. You can use it for morning bird watching, or sightseeing, or even hunting. And also, if you go to a concert, you can use it, because the concert is quite dark, right? And it gathers more light. You see a more light image. And the FOV is 342 feet at 1,000 yards. The angle is the degree is 6.5 degree. It is you can get a quite wide field of view. Okay. And the field of view 342 feet at 1,000 yards means when viewing objects at 1,000 yards, you could see an area 342 feet wide, and the 6.5 degree FOV and long eye relief make the binoculars comfortable to use. Okay, this is okay. Next one I want to say is the twist up eye cups. And now we counted how many. Now let's count it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So it can twist up with 3 times, 3 different length. So you can easily find a suitable position for your eyes to observe. And the here's the diopter. Here's the diopter adjusted. The diopter is plus and minus 4D, and eye relief is 19 millimeter. 19 millimeter is quite long relief. Then you won't feel much eye strain when observing. Okay. If you wear glasses, you can fold it down, twist it up, and observe like this. And if you don't wear glasses, you can twist it up and observe like this. And besides, and the twist up eye cups can also reduce the stray light. Yeah. This is It is easier to adjust the most suitable distance between your eyes and the eyepiece. Glasses wearers can adjust the. This is suitable wherever you wear glasses or not. And the prism is BAK for prism. BAK for prism has a higher refractive index and lower critical angle, which means it transmits light better with less light being lost. The BAK4 offers you the superior brightness, resolution, and edge clarity. And next one, it is IPX6 waterproof and nitrogen filled. This body is nitrogen filled and also rain sealed. So you can use it in a drizzling day. It can stop the rain get into your binocular, and also it can stop the moisture and dust in the air. And it is wholly rubber armored. You can use it. You can use it very. You can grab it very tight, and when you unfortunately this is dropped down, the armor, the rubber armor will protect it. Okay, and also this is. This is the interface. The interface is UNC a quarter to 20 interface. You can connect it with an tripod adapter and then connect it to a tripod. Okay, this is all about today's live stream. If you have any questions, you can leave a message below. And please follow and subscribe Svbony. Please follow and subscribe Svbony. Then you won't miss next sale promotion and next live stream. It's all about today's live stream. Goodbye. Bye bye. How to.结束了，我真是服了。讲了我这个好像还没关呢。
还有伴奏呢。
赶紧让我关。怎么关？是不是直接就关了？
对，全是 OBS 关了，接着退回去。
这是不是有没有退流啊？这次？
有啊。
我看怎么才1-2个人看？这个吗？真的是太高。